points. So point number one, anytime you have a knee action, anytime you lift your knee, there should be a foot slip. How you get it? You can slightly soft your knee and slip it back, right? So you cannot just lift knee. So getting from here, you have and 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2. And therefore, the next one will be and 3, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. Drop this arm, yeah, but don't bend over. Stay tall and connected. Yeah, way. So this is point number one. As you lift your knee, slip your foot back. And 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. Stay with me here. Very good. Also, you'll see for connection, there will be a little bit craziness there. So one more time to create a muscle memory. 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. There, connected. Now, second point, when you dance in the music, it was like a transition into the spiral from your batucadas. So it was 3, you go back, yeah, so go, so from here you had a 4 and 1, then you had a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and. So that was a little bit not clear when we dance. So stay with your right leg back, with the right leg back. So point number 2, you go, so you have a cha-cha lock step first, cha-cha, 1, then you have 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, you see, and again, so you have extra, one more.
Oh, so this is a 2.
This is N3, no, spiral is N2, and the step is 3. So basically, you will have da, you'll have 1, then you will have this 2 with the high hip, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So this leg will be as a count 3. 2, yeah, so do the last one. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And even more important that you follow my lead, not trying to go by memory, because in any way you won't remember. You react to when I exit you. So let's go from 4 and 1, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Keep going, 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and. Do you feel that? So I give you a very powerful, strong signal. Okay, so the next, the number 3 point.
Oh, okay, one more time here. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, so it was a knee, right. So let's get it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3. Cha, cha, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and. So see, I make crazy noise. Yeah, that will be for you a signal when to exit. Correct. Correct. Yeah. Very good. Now, next point number 3 is when you dance here, we have this part where we're just like having fun. Then we have a body weight. So here, exit of it. I will go first here.
I don't know how to do body wave.
Yeah, you don't need to do body wave at that point. You just send me there. Yeah, you like this is okay. Yeah, but what was the point when you dance with music? I'm turning here. Then you have N1 exit. N1. It's very important. So I will count for you. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So when you get here on count 1, now you're in perfect position to do your twisting craziness movement. Let's try with my count. And we have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Excellent. And the last point, it was at the end, how you link your ending to your beginning. So when I did spin, 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 you went here. As I go under your arm, you should do with your hip. 4, 1. Something like that. High hip and then pivot to here, right? high hip here to here. So stay there. You got here, yes. So we wait. I go under your arm here. It slides, yes. So you're facing
So
me
you
now.
do this, I just do like this.
And we do like this, right? So let's get from that spot. Kujung, stay there. I go under. Warm, excellent. Now I have 2, 3 already rounding, 4 and 1. And you perfectly at your beginning, 1. There. Now another point, number 5, when you do your New York, there is a little bit tilt, which is not recommended to do. So ideally, as you go to your New York, you're actually having a straight line and projecting with your chest, with your energy forward. Boom, 1, yeah, stay, don't move, let me correct, yeah. So it's a little bit in the head here, rather than here. And also turn out your foot to the maximum. Right, that way, yes, very good. And here we have a sense of stretching forward. Now, as we retreat back, we have that with the hip, a, da, da. We have that hip, a, da, da. Collection, hip collection through the opposite side, right? And go 1, 2, 3, a, da, da.